guys, welcome back to the vlog, and for this video, pupunta tayo sa Bangkok, Thailand, and samahan nyo ako. But before anything else, magbabayad muna kami ng travel tax. Kasama ko si Ate Faye. So guys, ayun, ang bilis lang, 7 PM na, and walang pila here sa payment sa travel tax. Guys, mag-backdrop lang kami quickly, and ang bongga, walang pila rito, as you can see. Walang tao sa likod ko. Ang aga namin, 7 PM pa lang, pero yung flight is around 12 AM pa. So talaga nag-allot kami ng extra hours in case mahaba yung pila sa immigration. Ayun. Ayan guys, thankfully, ang bilis lang. Wala pang pila at all, as you can see. Ayan na, pupunta na tayo sa immigration area. Guys, medyo ang haba na ng pila. Buti na lang inagahan namin. So ayun guys, nakalagpas na kami sa immigration, and mga around more than 30 minutes din kami pumila. So ayun, as usual, dalawa lang yung tinanong sa akin. Purpose of travel, which is for holiday or vacation naman, and then yung kung kailan yung balik ko. So ayun lang, and then tinatakan agad yung passport. Ganun lang kabilis. Medyo matagal lang talaga yung pila. Mukhang promising tong cheesy brioche nila guys. Guys, nandito lang kami ni Ate Faye muna sa may Starbucks. It's only 9 PM and around 12 AM pa yung flight. So mahaba-haba pang waiting time bago yung boarding namin. So dito muna kami tumambay. Boarding na kami guys. So guys, we have already arrived here in Bangkok at Suvarnabhumi Airport, and papunta na kami sa immigration area. So nakalagpas na ako sa immigration guys. Sobrang bilis lang, walang tanong at all. Pinag-photo lang and then nag-thumbprints, ayun lang. So now guys, we are on our way to get my baggage. Dahil ako lang naman yung may check-in baggage. Si Ate Faye wala. So guys, kung nagbook kayo ng SIM card through Klook, dito siya i-claim near baggage area na ano, yung counter 8, carousel 8 I mean. Ayan, dito siya. Yung pinili ko na pick-up point is yung DTAC or DTAC at Suvarnabhumi Airport. And I booked it through Klook. And by the way guys, you can also use my promo code, which I will put down below, so you can get further discounts when you book any hotel or activity through there. Ayun. So the next time guys na mag-book kayo through Klook, please don't forget my promo code. So guys, medyo naghintay pa kami dun sa malapit sa carousel 8 sa baggage area, pero walang tao. So next time, pag ma-experience nyo siya, huwag na kayo magsayang ng oras. Dito na kayo pumunta sa arrival hall sa bandang gate 7. Dito siya. Ayan guys. Dito tayo mag-claim ng SIM card from Klook. So, super helpful yung nag-a-assist dito, guys. Siya na rin yung nagpalit sa SIM card namin. Ayan. Ayan. So now that we got our SIM cards, the next order of business is mag-withdraw ng cash dahil wala pa kaming Thai baht, guys. So dito na kami mag-withdraw sa ATM nila na malapit dun sa pinagkuhaan namin ng SIM card. So nakapag-withdraw na kami, and reminder ko lang, meron na siyang additional fee na 220 baht, and yung maximum na pwede nyo i-withdraw per transaction is 10k baht. So i-maximize nyo na siya para ma-maximize nyo rin or ma-optimize nyo yung transaction fee. Ayun. Bumili lang kami ni Ate Faye rito ng snacks and water here sa Lawson. Then I also recommend na mag-download kayo ng app na Bolt or Grab na as usual meron naman na halos tayong lahat. Kasi magagamit nyo siya here when you book car transfers. So guys, we are staying here at the Quarter Salading by UHG. I hope I'm not mistaken sa name ng hotel, but I'll also put it down below. Ayan, ang spacious ng room, and I will also put down below kung magkano namin siya nakuha sa Agoda. But I think you can get it for a cheaper price kung magbubook kayo ng super advance or earlier. Ayun. Ang ganda ng room. Spacious. And yung bathroom, basic lang. Pero feeling ko by morning maganda yung view nito. So, ayun guys, nakakahagard ang biyahe. Dahil ang aga namin sa airport kanina, di ba? Pero ito, maliligo na ako and then magre-ready na rin kasi pupunta kami sa Pattaya. And doon ang ating first adventure here in Thailand. Samahan nyo kami doon guys. Marami kaming mga exciting na pupuntahan. Grabe sa exciting. I mean, magagandang lugar na very IG worthy na marirecommend ko sa inyo. So, ayun. Sana hindi ako mapahiya sa mga claims ko, di ba? Charot! So we are here to have our breakfast, and they have a decent selection naman. So yeah, I will show you. And my juices. They also have cereals, and I think self-service yung coffee. So I'm having an Americano. So guys, na-enjoy naman namin yung breakfast nila. Medyo above basic naman siya. Parang marami namang choices. And ayun, filling naman siya. And ang sarap ng omelette. who goes wrong with omelette anyways? So, good morning guys. Kahit wala pa akong tulog. So, ayun, nakapag-breakfast na kami ni Ate Faye. And ngayon, pupunta na kami dun sa Ekamay Bus Terminal to go to Pattaya. And then, doon tayo magsistay sa isang magandang hotel doon, which I will show you later. Guys, merong super cute na giant stuffed toy dito sa lobby ng hotel namin. Guys, katapat lang pala ng hotel namin tong The Common. So, pabalik tayo dyan. Itutur ko kayo dyan. Alam ko marami raw masarap na kainan and coffee shop yata dyan. So, we will try that. sa bus ni Ate Faye. And we are on our way to Pattaya. Guys, ang sarap ng pwesto namin. Parang nakahiga na kami halos. So, I think makakatulog na ako sa biyahe at last time. Hindi ako nakatulog sa plane na to. Siguro dahil hindi yun oras ng sleep ko guys. So, eto sana makatulog na ako. So guys, pinababa muna kami ng bus kasi magpapagas yung bus for 15 minutes daw. Parang toilet break na rin. So nakapag-CR kami ni Ate Faye here sa gas station. So we have already arrived here at our hotel in Pattaya and it's called Cape Dara Resort. Grabe, sobrang ganda. As in, parang luxurious vibes. Pero sakto lang yung price niya. Medyo pricey pero I think it's very much worth it. Pero we will still see upon our stay kung worth it ba talaga. Pero so far sa nakikita ko, ang ganda ng hotel. Very aesthetic. Ang ganda ng architecture and yung mga decorations. Papakita ko sa inyo later. So since hindi pa ready yung room namin, kasi 3 p.m. pa ngayon check-in and it's only actually past 2 p.m. Nag-lunch muna kami ni Ate Faye at their in-house restaurant called Radius. And you won't believe, sobrang ganda ng view, nakakaloka. Guys, look at that. I didn't expect na ganito kaganda yung beach sa Pattaya. Grabe. I mean, it's not Boracay certainly. Pero ang ganda pa rin ng waters. So guys, here's the menu at Radius. It's a mix of international and mga Thai dishes. So ayan. I think average lang naman yung price, parang hotel price, ganyan. Pero let's see kung promising naman yung food. I mean, mukhang promising naman, but yeah, we will see later kung masarap ba talaga. So we finally got our room after our very good lunch and papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda. It reminds me of Lynn, Boracay. So guys, nag-freshen up lang ako and then pupunta naman kami sa The Sanctuary of Truth. Sorry, may candy ako sa bibig. So ayun, feeling ko sisipunin ako, parang sumasama na yung pakiramdam ko dahil wala pa rin ako tulog, pero laban lang tayo for the vlog. O ayan na, ganyan ko kayo kamahal para mailaban ko lahat ng information na pwede kong maibigay sa inyo. Charot! Pero ayun, I'll see you later at The Sanctuary of Truth. Naghintay lang kami ng binook namin na boat car. So guys, we are already here at The Sanctuary of Truth. And pwede kayo mag-book through Klook. Mas mura siya kaysa on the spot, which is 500 baht. And mas mura siya kung i-book nyo siya online. And you can also get further discounts if you use my promo code, which I will put down below. Guys, medyo may lakaran siya. So, be prepared. Medyo mainit. Ayan. May nakakita akong gwapong afang. Charot! Medyo ang dami ng tao, guys. Guys, may pa-helmet. Ang bigat sa ulo. So, ayan, be prepared. Sobrang ganda dito, sobrang intricate ng design, sobrang effort nila. I think it took a lot of years to finish this temple or museum. It's a must visit when you are in Pattaya. Sobrang ganda, as in.